As the construction industry continues to evolve, contractors and architects are tasked with finding opportunities to work safer, smarter, and more efficiently without putting their business or project at risk. To stay ahead, you need the most innovative building materials and solutions available. That's why USG offers a complete portfolio of glass mat gypsum panels. Ideal for moisture-exposed conditions, USG's glass mat portfolio is designed to be safe during delivery, handling, and installation, and adds durability and resilience in construction prior to completion of the building envelope. The USG glass mat portfolio can be identified by our distinctive green color and is comprised of 3 brands. 1. USG Securock brand for exterior applications. 2. USG Sheetrock brand for interior applications. 3. USG Durock brand for tile backer applications. Each product in the portfolio features an inorganic water-shedding glass mat enclosure and a non-combustible core, and all glass mat panels in USG's portfolio score the highest 10 out of 10 on ASTM D3273 test for mold. Now let's break those down by taking a look at a typical hospital environment. Starting with the exterior of the building, choose USG Securock brand Glass Mat Sheathing for protection, offering a 12-month warranty to weather exposure. These high-performance panels are designed to protect a building from the elements during construction and to serve as a non-combustible base under exterior claddings such as brick, siding, stucco, or eaves. USG Securock brand Glass Mat Roof Board is part of USG's high-performance roof portfolio and is designed for use in low-slope commercial roofing systems. It also enhances the durability of the entire roofing system when used as a cover board in single-ply mechanically attached systems. With a 12-month warranty to weather exposure, USG Sheetrock brand glass mat liner panels mold tough are ideal for use in USG Sheetrock brand cavity shaft wall systems and USG Sheetrock brand area separation wall systems. The panels are UL classified for fire resistance and have double beveled edges for easy installation. For enhanced mold protection on interior walls, USG Sheetrock brand glass mat panels mold tough are ideal for new construction or renovation work, especially in high humidity areas or where incidental wetting is expected during the life of the building. They are engineered to be weather resistant and can be installed before dry-in of the building envelope. Available in both half-inch regular and 5/8" Fire Code X formulations, the panels offer a smoother facer mat that is colored to match traditional drywall and is engineered to accept the application of USG finishing systems. All USG Sheetrock brand glass mat interior panels feature USG Mold Tough protection in the gypsum core and offer a 12-month weather exposure warranty. For use in high traffic areas, we offer USG Sheetrock brand glass mat panels Mold Tough AR. These abuse-resistant panels offer the same benefits as USG Sheetrock brand glass mat panels Mold Tough and are designed and tested to offer greater resistance to surface indentation and impact damage than standard drywall. Additionally, USG Sheetrock brand glass mat panels Mold Tough VHI offer very high impact resistance and added resistance to surface indentation and impact damage, and is an upgrade to abuse-resistant panels. For wet areas where moisture and mold resistance is required, choose USG Durock brand glass mat tile backer. With a proprietary cementitious surface on the face, USG Durock brand glass mat tile backer combines cement board-like tile bond with the handling and ease of use of a USG Sheetrock brand gypsum panel. It's ideal as a substrate in bathrooms, showers, and institutional laundries, and features superior moisture and mold resistance with enhanced tile bond. After dry-in, USG offers a full portfolio of paper-faced USG Sheetrock brand Mold Tough products. These panels feature the highest level of mold protection available, with the added benefit of installing and finishing like standard drywall. USG and its Sheetrock, Securock, and Durock brands offer design professionals and contractors access to a complete line of products that work together from the beginning of a build through the service life of a structure, enabling our customers to build their world more safely, more efficiently, and more productively. For more information on products and warranties, visit usg.com/glassmat.